Hello, boys and girls. This is Ms. Basan with today's science lesson. This week for science, we will be learning how plants make food. Today, I will be reading the book called How Plants Make Food by Karen Jones. What do plants and animals do when they are hungry? When people or animals are hungry, they have to find food to eat. People and animals need food to live. Plants need food to live too. What do you think plants do when they are hungry? Plants are different than people and animals because plants do not have to find food. Plants make their own food. In order to make their own food, plants need three things: air, water, and sunlight. Plants need air to make food. Air goes through tiny holes in a plant's leaves. Plants need sunlight to make food. Sunlight gets soaked up by the plant's leaves too. Plants need water to make food. Water is soaked up by the roots and travels up the stem to the leaves. Together, these three things make food to nourish the plant. In most plants, food is made in the leaves. This nourishment keeps the plants alive and healthy. This nourishment is what makes the plant grow. The scientific name for this process is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is when the plant takes the three important ingredients of air, water, and sunlight and makes food. What do you think would happen if a plant didn't have all three things it needed to make food? What if it had water and air, but no sunlight? Do you think the plants would be able to make food? No, a plant needs air, water, and sunlight to make food. If one of those important ingredients is missing, it won't be able to make food, and the plants will die. Just like people are different, plants are different too. Some plants need lots of sunlight to make food, and some need only a little. Some plants need lots of water, and some hardly need any. If you are taking care of a plant, it is important to learn the amount of sunlight and water it needs to make food and grow. Plants are special because they make their own food. When they are given the perfect recipe of sunlight, water, and air, plants can make their own food and grow. Boys and girls, in the chat box, please tell me what are three things that plants need to to make their own food. How do plants make their own food? What are the three ingredients they need to make their own food? Please type in your answer in the chat box. Thank you, boys and girls. I will see you tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this story today. Remember, this week we are learning on how plants make food. See you tomorrow, boys and girls. Bye.